Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and today we're going to do a Valentine's set. I've not done one yet this year and Valentine's is rapidly approaching. Um, Full disclosure, I'm not a Valentine girly. Don't really get into all the hubbub. But this isn't about me. This is about what you like. And I know a lot of people really love Valentine's Day, and I hope that no matter what you're doing for your Valentine's, that you are enjoying it this year and that you're just able to focus on love. There you go. So we're going to use this beautiful red color by Born Pretty. It is a jelly, and we are going to put that across all 5 nails, doing 2 coats on each one. Here is the second coat. I really thought this was a super pretty color, so I just wanted to spend a little bit of time with it here at the beginning of the video. This is my kind of red. Very candy apple. I love it. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, I'm feeling a little punchy, so if we go, on a tangent, there you go. That's all that is. Let's finish polishing these 2 nails. I'm not going to show all 5 of them. But I could, like I said in the last video, I have a ton of footage of doing this. And if you want a much longer video, let me know and I could put that together for you. But we are going to focus on 2 fingernails from this point forward. The thumbnail and I want to say it's the middle finger. I'm a little bit sleepy, so just excuse me. Also, other things, but it's not worth talking about. There you go. I feel like I'm wheezing a little bit too, so if you noticed that, I'm super sorry. Super sorry. So I'm making a cross on here, just like an X marks the spot sort of a situation. Yeah, it's an X more than a cross. I don't know what I was thinking. But, and this is where the anti-Valentine's idea comes in, I guess, is that it's like you're Xing it out. This is not what I'm about. Although the rest of the nails are very, I guess you'd say more traditionally Valentine's. I spent a lot of time on the X. On all 3 nails. 3 of the nails are going to have the X. 2 of the nails are going to have the second treatment, which you will see in a moment. I cut a good chunk of it out because I really did spend a lot of time on the X, focusing on trying to make it as even as possible. I got close. I will not say that I perfected it, but I got pretty close, and I think at a glance you don't notice that there's anything wonky about it because it's not super wonky, but I will admit it's not perfection. That's okay though. Art isn't about perfection. It's about expression. And this definitely expressed my mood while I was making this set. The more I worked on the set, though, I will say, the more I just began to enjoy it and enjoy working on it. When I first sat down, I sat down feeling like, I need to get a set done for the channel, that obligation feeling of having to work. That's the heater. Let's turn it off. Okay, sorry about that. It's going to take a second before it turns all the way off. But anyway, like, even if it's work you enjoy, like this channel, I love this channel. I love you guys, and I love doing the nails. But once in a while, you're just like, ugh, I do not want to sit down. I do not want to do this. I want to play, or I want to, in my case, play some World of Warcraft, right? Or sometimes it's do yoga, or sometimes it's go outside. Sometimes it's take a nap, right? Whatever it might be that you would prefer to do rather than your work. That's sort of how I was feeling when I sat down to start this set. But the more I worked on it, the more I had a good time. So I was yakety yakking while I was playing with the flash glitter there, but that's what that was that I put on top of the black. And I did do a little tester on a nail. We're making hearts here. I'm just starting with 2 dots. 2 dots starts the heart. It's the easiest way for me to make the heart happen. My throat is about to freak out. Let me take a drink. Sorry about that. Whew. Now I am going to mess up. I know that there were 2 dots there originally for a heart underneath that first one. I messed that heart up so bad, so I wiped it away with a brush and some alcohol, and I'm just letting that space dry so that I can come in and put 2 more dots and make another heart, because sometimes you mess up your heart, right? And you got to start over, and that's just what happened. That's all. It was really bad too. It was like, this is no longer a heart. If you want a bloopers reel, let me know. We could start saving some clips. Anyway, oh my goodness, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the flash glitter. I wanted to add flash glitter, and I sort of hemmed and hawed on whether or not I should do the cross in the flash glitter and outline it in black, or just lay down, do it the way I did it, right? And I did a little tester on a nail to see how the flash glitter looked on top of the black, and I loved that so much that that's why I decided to do it that way. I just thought it just gives it something. It adds a depth to the look, right? To the flash glitter. And here we go, coming in and doing the same treatment on top of the hearts, but just the tiniest bit of the black shows up around the outside, and I really dig that. It's like you outlined it, but you didn't have to, right? It's pretty cute. I like it. And I'm just going to do that on all of the little 5 hearts that I made. And we do have a second nail that represents this look, this technique, I guess you would say. I don't know if you'd call it a technique. That may just be, giving it more. I want to say credit, but that's not what I mean. I mean, maybe it's just making what I'm doing seem a little more overblown by calling it a technique. It's just a layering technique, if you will. Sorry about that. Now, just on a whim, I decided to throw a heart in the middle of the X, because it's like X love, no love here, whatever you're thinking. Listen to me. I'm expressing my heart with the nails. You interpret it the way that it makes you feel, right? It's not for me to tell you how to interpret my work. Once I have done the work and given it to you, now it's yours. And you get to decide what you think about it and what it makes you feel. I don't know what author it was that I was like reading an interview with them 1,000,001 years ago. And they said something like that, just I do the work and it's mine while I'm doing the work. But once it's done, it's yours. If you're reading it, it's yours. And now it's for you to decide what it means, right? And I just love that, because that is true. You have to release your work for it to do the thing that you wanted it to do in the first place. You have to let go. And so once I've put the video up, once I've done all the editing, which is part of the process of creating, look at how as soon as the top coat comes on, the flash glitter starts to activate. It's so pretty. Anyway, once I've put it all out there and I've edited and given you a voiceover and added whatever I'm adding to the video, the work is done and I have expressed myself completely. And now it's given to you. You take the baton and you share it where you want to share it, and you think about it what you want to think, and you say what you want to say, because now it's yours. So there you go. That's my gift to you, I guess. Although again, gift, maybe that's a little too overblown. But speaking of gifts, I do have a gift for one of you coming up very soon. Soon as we reach 750, we're doing a giveaway. So if you have not already, click that red button. Let's get us to 750 so we can do this giveaway. I'm going to do a little video because I bought one for myself as well. So I'll be able to show you exactly what you're getting in the gift, whoever wins that drawing. So that's going to be super fun. I love to do giveaways. And that segue, totally by accident. I did not plan that. That was perfect though. So we're just going to finish up with our top coat here, which really just brings everything to life. Don't top coat your gems. I have been seeing people put gems in the poppets and put builder gel on them though. That's interesting to me. I don't really have any poppets, but maybe I should buy some and do a video. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see that, because we can make it happen. I just ordered some fresh stands for my nail tips, and I'm excited to get those because these are starting to look real dingy. So it'll freshen up the channel a little bit. But anyway, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. This is how they look just normally, but once you turn on the flash, bam! Oh, sorry, I went bam just a little too fast. Bam! There we go. I am not good with my bams today, but look how pretty that is. I love that these could just be for Valentine's, or they could be anti-Valentine or dark Valentine. You've got options with the way that you feel about these nails. Let me know what they make you think of in the comment section. Are they anti-Valentine or dark Valentine or just Valentine? Anyway, it doesn't matter because I love them. I think they came out super cute, and they definitely are expressing the mindset I was in last night. So a lot of things going on right now here in America and across the world, of course. And if you're feeling frustrated, just put on some really cool videos. I've got a whole channel for you if you want to check out mine. And just take a deep breath so that you can recharge and do what you need to do. We're going to see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.